Good day, sir. Now I'm going to be discussing about the Intact Stability Code 2008 revised in July 1, 2010. The primary objectives are ensure shapes have sufficient stability under operating conditions. Second, prevent accident caused by loss of stability such as capsizing or excessive rolling. Third, provide uniform informational standards for intact stability. Fourth, address modern ships design and operational challenges such as container ships and offshore vessels. Now, the secondary objective of the Intact Stability Code 2008 are: first, promote safe loading and unloading practices. Second, ensure compliance with stability requirements during all phases of voyage. So here is the criteria for Intact Stability Code 2008. First is the GOM. First, kg equals total vertical moment divided by total weight. Second, obtain the km in the hydraulic table. Third, subtract kg to km equals gm solid. Fourth, GMS minus GGO, where GGO equals total free surface moment divided by total weight. And the requirements for cargo ships are containers, bulk, tankers, passengers. All of this will not less than 0.15 meters. For grain carriers, not less than 0.30 meters as per Res. MSC 2359. So here is the table for Intact Stability Code 2008, the loading plans are. So first step, kg equals total vertical moment and total weight. So total weight, all these numbers you'll add and put here. Also the vertical moment, add lang and divide, and the result will be 7.91 meters. Second, solid, GM solid, km equals, km sir kay given naman 8.00 meters. Ang kg you'll add all of this, sir. Add pod ang kg dapit og 7.91 divide lang gihapon may mong 0.09 meters. Then divide ba? So here is the table for Intact Stability Code 2008 loading plan. So first step, kg equals total vertical moment and total weight. So add all of weight and all of total vertical moment and divide. The result will be 7.91 meters. And GM solid equals km equals 8.00 meters. So km is given and kg, total kg here, add, the result will be 7.91. And the answer is 0.09 meters. The GGO equals 3.086 over 24.670 meters equals 0.13 meters. And the GOM equals GMS equals 0.09 meters, and GGO equals 0.13 meters. Cancel out G, So it will be GOM equals negative 0.04 meters. And the result of the solving, sir, is unstable because not less than 0.15 meters man. So, thank you, sir. That's all.